really nice purse haul for you guys. You don't want to miss it. I promise you, you don't want to miss it. So stay tuned, y'all. And if you are enjoying this here vlog, hit that thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up for your girl. I'll be back. Hey my love, so I'm back. Your girl is back, and I have a fun part of this video for you guys that I couldn't wait to share with you all. And it is from Daydaybag. They reached out and they wanted to send me a product, so I was like, yeah, come on, bring it on. So they sent me a bag. It came in, actually it was wrapped up really securely so that no one can see what you have in your bag, and it came in a box like so. When you open up the box, it looks like that. So like I said, I love when they have, you know, they just go all out with the bells and whistles. They make sure that they secure the package. It's wrapped neat and nice and everything. And I'm gonna take it out. It comes with the dust bag, a little card, like with the receipts and stuff. You know how that go. Yeah, so I like stuff like this because oh, and then this dust bag just shows you what kind of bag it is. So I'm gonna open it up and reveal it to you guys. Can y'all guess? All right, I ain't gonna do that to y'all. Okay, so this is the bag that I chose. I've been wanting this bag for so long, but I just couldn't get to like trying to purchase this bag for that amount. You know, I'm kind of like all on a budget. I am one of them girls that don't spend a lot of money on certain items, and hence like bags. Yeah, I can rock this and be just as content, for real. This is really, really cute. And upon looking at it, it looks like it is made very, very well. It's crafted really well. And I'm looking all around it, okay? So, as you can see, I'm going to bring it close to you guys so that you can see. It has the Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in France, right here. You can see how it looks. And y'all, I might wear this today. Okay, this is super cute. So I'm gonna take this off the paper that comes with it, and on the shoulder of it, it has the Louis Vuitton as well. So hopefully this bag holds up really well. I like the oh, they put plastic on there too. The little gold rings, it has plastic on it. I'm gonna take that off as well. But so hopefully this part doesn't break, because you know I do put a lot of stuff in my purse. So I'm gonna update you guys. I always say that I want to update you guys and let you know how it held up, because things can look pretty, but will it hold up? That's the case. That's the thing. But this looks like it's pretty well made. Yeah. So I'm just taking the plastic off the bag, and I'm going to share with you all the info on this bag. Just give me a minute, y'all. Okay, so I took the plastic off. Now we have paper inside of the bag that we're taking out. And it also comes with another strap, which is good. And it has a lot of room for you guys who like to travel and like to put things in it. We're gonna see what it holds inside. But anyway, it has a zipper with a nice deep pocket, and that is how it looks. The inside has that little cloth. Okay, so let's talk about the bottom. There's no feet on the bottom. I don't mind by not having any feet on the bottom. Honey, I'm wearing this on my shoulders. If I put it down, I usually put it down on a seat. I don't usually put it on tables or anything that would kind of like scuff it or mess it up. But this is so nice. The quality is really good. The quality is really good. So let me look at this strap. and take the paper off. Okay, so we have this strap as well. We have this strap as well. You can also wear it as a crossbody. And you see how this is made, and they also wrap it up really securely so that you won't scuff your, you know, your gold hardware. You don't want that. You don't want any scratches. Some people are really meticulous when it comes to stuff like that. Or is it the word meticulous, or should I say anal? Well, it won't be anal because it is your product and you don't want it scuffed. So it's just human nature for you not to want, you know, your purses to be jacked up when you get them. So I'm going to, oh, I have plastic on this one too. And for those of y'all who say, you know what, I like when you zip the purse. It doesn't have like that. The only con about this purse, and I don't even consider it a con, is the fact that it doesn't zip close. But I'm going to show you something as soon as I get this plastic off. Although it doesn't close, you can actually use this hook right here and hook it like that, so when you have your items in it, it's kind of like closed, but it's not, you know, you don't have to worry about it. But if you are that person that just has to have a zipper, they have so many purses to choose from. Their website is really nice. Check their website out. So I'm gonna put this strap on here, how it looks. So this is the strap, this is the bag. Let me see if I can put my laptop in there. Let's just say you were traveling and you wanted to put your laptop in there. Your laptop, if it's securely, you can go on like Amazon if you like the organizers and get one of those organizer bags to put in there if you are one of those organizers, and you can wear it like that. But yeah, the laptop fits. Okay, my love, so y'all see what fits in this purse, right? A laptop. I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna take this bag, and y'all know that the laptop fits, right? So I'm gonna just put it on the side, and I'm just gonna start adding stuff to it, like my wallet. Y'all know I carry 2 wallets, some gum. My purse don't be real super neat or anything. I just be throwing stuff in there. We're gonna put a comb in there. I have a portable charger for my phone. We're gonna put the keys. The feminine products, we're gonna put, I have that in like a plastic bag. I'm gonna put that on the side. Yes, that fits as well. I always keep this little first aid kit. We're gonna put that in there as well. It houses everything. Some sanitizer. We always have to have that work ID. I'm gonna put that to the side. Our mask, our essential workers mask. And then I have a pen, some lip gloss, my favorite. Oh, I'm almost out, you guys. My favorite perfume, one of my favorite perfumes is Julia Has a Gun. And let's see, I have a headband in here, girl. Let's see, and another one of my favorites. I love this. I might put that in there too, because I don't know, I just love it in a Lysol. Okay, girl, I got coins in here, a now later, and yeah. So we cleaned that out, and the last thing I'm gonna put in here is a phone. Look, y'all, I still have room. Although it's kind of heavy, but it fits on the shoulder, and I'm going to make sure I secure the bag by closing it. So yeah, and it fits really, really well. So I'm going to show you how it looks on my arm. Okay, beauties, this is a bomb, you guys. I love this purse. It is so pretty. It looks good with the little jean jacket, your little tank top, going on errands, running errands. And if you, I'm gonna take the laptop out because it is heavy. We're just, you know, for if you're traveling and whatnot, not something like if you're going shopping, you should be having no laptop in your purse. So we're gonna take that out, and yeah, it makes it much lighter. I like the way that it just hangs. It just looks really nice, and it just gives that luxurious look to it. And I like the strap because it's thick, it's not thin, and it fits on your shoulder very comfortably. Okay, so if you're wearing it as like a crossbody, you can wear it like so. Although it kind of hangs longer than what I like. The great thing about that is that it's adjustable, so you can actually adjust it. And I'm going to do that for you guys. I'm going to put it on the last one because it was pretty long. All right, so I put it on the last one, and it hits perfect. It hits perfect for you if you're like shopping and whatnot, you looking for something, or you're in line waiting. You don't want to have it on your shoulder. You want to make sure your purse is in the front. Since it doesn't have a zip, you can have your hand on your bag just waiting. If you're in line at the DMV or whatever the case may be, yes, you can wear it like so. But for the most part, I like the bag on the shoulder. It looks good. And yeah, girl, so Daydaybag, they scored with this one, and I'm going to share with you all the info on the bag. You can find them on daydaybags.com, and here is their website. I don't want y'all looking at my phone because I kind of like broke my phone. But look, they have purses, they have shoes, different kind of bags. Let me look at, they have the Chanel bag. They have boots. You can go on their website and click. They have Bottega, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, Fendi, Burberry, Dior, Goyard, Chrome Hearts, Goro. They have so many items to choose from. So check out the description box. If it's not in the description box, I'll pin it in the comments. So that'll be the first comment that you see, so that you can save. If there's any links or coupon codes, it'll be listed down in that section. So with that being said, I want to thank them again for sending me this here beautiful leather bag. Yes, it is so nice to share with you all. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.